Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, January 22nd, 2018. It's a very mild morning out there with a nice southeasterly wind starting to develop with some areas of fog and some isolated showers throughout the region. The morning rush hour shouldn't be too bad, just a few passing showers. The evening rush hour, a little bit wetter, and tomorrow morning, definitely a lot of rain on the way and possibly even a few isolated thunderstorms. We'll talk about that in a moment. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 40s along the coast. When we take a look at the latest surface map, this stationary front right here is basically going to become a warm front as we move forward throughout the day. And that warm front is going to slowly push northward. So temperatures to the north of the warm front will rise into the upper 40s, mid to upper 40s. However, to the south of the warm front, you're going to talk about temperatures in the lower to mid 50s as that warm air surges northward. Now, eventually, everyone gets into the warm air, so there is going to be no threat whatsoever of any frozen precipitation over the next 24 hours as this warm front lifts northward and this area of low pressure drives towards the eastern Great Lakes, with this cold front following behind, leading to periods of heavy rain and a few isolated thunderstorms. On the latest radar, you can see a few of these isolated showers. Not much is reaching the ground yet, but look for these showers to become more widespread as we head towards the late afternoon and evening hours, with some minor ponding on the roadways. By tomorrow morning, we're talking about moderate to major ponding on the roadways and the potential for localized flash flooding, especially urban flooding in some poorly drained areas as that cold front approaches. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see very clearly that right now we are starting to see that warm front push northward. You can see a little bit more lifting starting to take place as that warm front takes hold. Meanwhile, off to the west, you can see a very well-defined area of low pressure back here over the plains and a cold front trailing southward with some very impressive lifting developing over the upper Midwest back down through the Mississippi River Valley and building into the Tennessee River Valley and Ohio River Valley. This will all push eastward as we move through the next 24 hours with periods of heavy rain. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds to overcast cloud cover with a few isolated widely scattered showers. Showers will become more widespread as we head towards the evening hours. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s to the north of the warm front and lower to mid 50s to the south of the warm front. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for periods of rain developing, lows in the mid to upper 40s. And then as that cold front moves through tomorrow, look for a few isolated embedded thunderstorms. They're all going to be elevated, no severe thunderstorms, but they will be capable of very heavy downpours and wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So definitely watch out for that. Temperatures ahead of the cold front will range from the mid to upper 50s. I would not be surprised if a few lower 60s show up in the Philadelphia metro ahead of this cold front. Behind the cold front, reality returns. So look for periods of heavy rain through about the afternoon hours, and by tomorrow evening, by the evening rush hour, we'll see everything clear out, and by tomorrow night, clearing skies are expected. By Wednesday morning, high pressure starts to build in. Rather windy conditions. Look for winds from the west around 10 to 20 miles per hour, with temperatures basically holding. Look for lows in the mid 30s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Thursday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies and rather chilly. Lows in the upper teens to mid 20s, highs in the lower to mid 30s. And on Friday, high pressure sitting right over the region. It means light and variable winds. It also means temperatures are going to plummet on Friday morning in the upper teens to lower 20s. Look for highs in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast with some very chilly weather conditions. So think about it. Once again, in this transient weather pattern, we don't stay warm or cold for too long. We basically get a warm shot, cold front moves through, then a cold shot. Now with that, we moderate once again on Saturday. Why? High pressure pushes off the coast, winds from the southwest, look for increasing clouds, look for lows in the mid 20s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then on Sunday, ahead of a strong cold front, look for periods of rain with temperatures ranging from the lower 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. And then on Monday, with the cold front clearing out, look for rain in the morning, followed by clearing skies and temperatures falling through the 40s and into the 30s as cold air builds in. This transient weather pattern isn't going to last for long, and it looks like we're going to be shifting right back into our cold and stormy weather pattern for February on through early March. So it should be pretty interesting. So basically, enjoy the warm weather while you can, because we're going to be paying for it in just a few weeks. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.